Have you ever wondered why you should have your driveways, sidewalks, and walkways cleaned? The benefits of having your concrete surfaces power washed goes way beyond just enhanced appearances. Mold is an organic living organism that will find every crack and crevice to spread into, which compromises the structural integrity as well as the traction of surfaces. Algae-covered concrete can become slick like ice with the smallest amount of moisture, increasing the chances of slips and falls on your property, resulting in unexpected medical bills. In some situations, you could even end up with a lawsuit due to someone falling on your property due to unmaintained surfaces. At Water Wizards, we have a 4-step surface cleaning process that transforms even the most soiled concrete to sparkling like new. Our 4-step process is executed as follows. Step 1 starts with the pre-treatment of the surface with our organic cleaning agents to start the breakdown and loosening of the buildup on and in the pores of the surface. After a brief dwell time, step 2 involves the use of a specialized surface cleaner to wash away all organic matter from the surface and the pores. Step 3 involves rinsing the surface to wash away all loosened dirt and grime from the surface. The 4th and final step is a post-treatment of our concrete brightener that we let dry on the surface to break down any remaining deep-rooted organic growth. Visit us online today to get your fast, free, and accurate online quote, or call us to discuss how we can meet your property's cleaning needs today.